How to send voice messages on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to send voice messages on TikTok. It's super easy, so let's get started. First things first, open up your TikTok app and then go to the inbox section on the bottom, and this will take you to your direct messages and look for the person whom you want to send the voice message. So once you have found the person whom you want to send the voice message to, then on the message bar you will see a mic like icon on the right hand side. Just hold down to start recording and then press it until you are done, and then release your finger to send it. And then there you go. It's as simple as that to send a voice message on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.